If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in CS2, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to loading problems. Try resetting your router if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix loading issues. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues, including loading problems. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest version. Step 5. Lower graphics settings. If the game continues to get stuck, try lowering the graphics settings. High settings can sometimes cause performance issues on certain hardware, leading to loading delays. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in CS2. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to support for further assistance. Happy gaming!